In this short video, I'll show you how to change a blade on a reciprocating saw, also referred to as a Sawzall, which is actually the brand name of a tool manufactured by Milwaukee. For me, I use this pruning blade the most, so that's what I'll work with today. So at the front of the saw, there's usually a spring-loaded latch, and yours may look slightly different than mine. But to insert the blade, pull out the latch and insert the blade into the opening. Okay, so here's a better angle so you can see where the blade goes. This is on my corded Black & Decker reciprocating saw, but the process is similar on other brands as well. So let me show you one more time on my newest cordless saw. It's got a similar latch on the side, and once it's released, the blade can be inserted and locked in. And let me tell you, this Black & Decker cordless reciprocating saw works great. I was cutting some pretty big branches on a tree the other day and I had plenty of power to do the job. But no matter what brand or type of saw you have, now you know how to change the blade. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.